The Lorrenton Recliner by Ashley is the home theater perfected. Featuring immersive audio all around, you can connect by Bluetooth and listen through the built-in speakers or by headphones. This convenient control panel allows you to customize your audio settings. Other great features include massage, a heated seat, storage in the arm, theater lighting, power recline, auto glide, and more. Also check out the Immersive Pineland recliner and a minimalist gray upholstery. You can find your style, selection, and value at American Furniture Warehouse.